Hey y'all, so this is going to be a April's favorite video. So it'll be products that I've used during the month of March and April, and they are my, they're the ones that I use consistently and that I think are better than the other brands of the same product. So first I'm going to do hair, then we're going to beauty and makeup. So first on the list is an oldie, is my Aussie hair insurance leave-in conditioner, and I've been using this for a long time, but I stopped using it years ago. I used this a long time ago, and I just started back using it this past month, April, and it did as good as it always has done, and it's just helps keep my hair moisturized and soft when I wash it, when I wear my natural hair out. Alright, and that can be purchased at any local drugstore, Walgreens, Walmart, such and such. And next is the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. It's a multi-purpose oil, and I use it on my hair, but it can be used for hair, bath, nails, and body. So I may, since I have a lot left, even though I got it in March, I think I got it in March, but even though I've been using it for like almost 2 months, it's like, and I use it almost daily, it's a lot left in here still. So it takes a little goes a long way. And I use it for my hair. You can use it as a hot oil treatment, but I think I just run it after I wash my hair. And it could be used on body. I haven't used it on my body, but I may, because I have like dry skin on my body, so it may dry my skin out. I don't know because of the ingredients, but I may try to use it. Next is a couple hair products that I just started using, and this is the Monoi coconut oil by Hask. It is a shampoo, and then the Argan oil from Morocco by Hask, and it's the repairing conditioner. And I love how they smell, and they hydrate, and they keep my hair really, they don't, like, the shampoo doesn't strip my hair. It keeps it moisturized, and it's very good on my natural hair. I have never tried these products before, or this brand, so I just wanted to find something that was slightly natural, but not really, because I don't really, my hair is old, you know, it's okay. I don't really care about other things anymore like I used to, but I tell no, there's no difference, you know. And it just smells good, and it's just like a really nourishing, it says nourishing shampoo, and it's a nourishing shampoo, you know. And Monoi oil is an oil I've never used before, and it's Monoi coconut oil, so I guess it's some coconuts in Monoi. And then the conditioner is really good, and I also use this on my son's hair, so they, you know, their hair's kid hair, so it's cool for their hair too. I got those from Target. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into from the Body Shop, and it's vitamin E. It's a vitamin E hydrating toner, and it's for all skin types, and it's very, I love this toner. I mean, I can tell a good difference when I use it. It's alcohol free, and it removes makeup. I haven't used it to remove makeup, so I might try that. I just use it after I cleanse my face, and I use a toner, and I moisturize after that. But here's what I moisturize with this, which is like almost empty. It is the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Mist. It's a face mist, and I had to make sure I read that right. Okay, yeah. And it's 100% vegan, so, you know, that's good. I love the Body Shop's product. They're very, you know, natural, I guess, you know, I'd say. And I got this. This is for I use it mainly after I apply makeup sometimes. If I'm like in a hurry and I'm going to apply it, if I'm not going to wear makeup, I use this after I, you know, wash my face, and I use the toner, and then I add this to just give it like a refreshing look if I'm not wearing makeup, if I'm not wearing any makeup that day. And also, this is the same type of product. It's the Aloe and Rose Water Mist, and it's a tonic water. It's by Pearlessence, and it's very nice. I use this every day, basically. Like, I wash my face, I use a toner, and then I use this to moisturize. I may use like a lotion type moisturizer also with this, or before this, or even after this, whenever I feel like, you know, doing that day. And it's good. I got this from Marshall's, and I don't see the price on it anywhere. I think it was like $6, maybe $6 or $7, and it's really good. It's a skin conditioning tonic water with aloe and rose water, and it's very hydrating. It says it's hydrating, and it is hydrating. So okay, and then also they have I think there's a going trend here, rose. So this is a rose and collagen face serum, and I just purchased this yesterday. It's from Marshall's, and I used it after I did a mask, and it just leaves a nice glow to your skin, and I like it a lot. And it costs $6 from Marshall's, and it's Amie. I don't really know, you know, Monoi. Okay, I give up. And it's a nice little, it's oil, it's a facial oil, body oil. I think you can use on your body. Let's see what where else you can use it. You shake it? I didn't shake it when I used it. Ooh. So you apply it to your face and your neck. Oh, and also, yesterday I got this. It was $4 for $3.99. It is the Elite Skincare Essentials Anti-Aging 24 Karat Gold Hydrating Gel Facial Mask. Those in one. Alright, it's I love this mask. Even though it left a lot of the gold flakes in my face, you know, it was kind of hard to get rid of, but I just left them there. I think they eventually went away after I dried my skin off. I don't know. So I put this in the fridge. It says you can put it in the fridge, so I did that. And it was like a cooling effect it had. And I really like this mask. I hate messy masks, and this one is not messy at all. Like, I think because it's a gel, and yeah, it's like, it's very, it's not messy. See, look, I mean, I like it, you know? It's not messy, and I hate messy masks. All right, next is the Wet n Wild Lip Scrub. This smells like, it's the watermelon. This is the watermelon one. It's a new product. It says new, so I guess it's a new product. It smells just like watermelon not watermelon chapstick, watermelon lip gloss. I used to wear it like when I was a kid. It's really, I love it. I needed a face. I used to make my own lip scrubs, right? So I got kind of lazy, and I was like, I need to buy a lip scrub. And I was looking for the e.l.f. one, and I could never find it. So I saw this one day in Walgreens. I got from Walgreens. And it's very inexpensive. I think it was like $3, at least $3. At the most $3, rather. And it is a, you know, you scrub it, you scrub your lips with it, and then you rinse it off. And it helps to get them, you know, exfoliate your lips. Alright. The next is, related also, is the Broadway Coconut Oil Lip Gloss. And it's I'm wearing it right now over my lipstick. And it's really cool. I had it for, I think I had it for over 2 months. Maybe not, I don't know. But it's hydrating, and it just stays on your lips for a long time. And it's very shiny. They have other oil ones, but I like coconut oil, so I got the coconut oil one. Okay. And the next is the foundation that I've been using, and I had a trial and error with this foundation. So it's Maybelline Super Stay, and it's in the color 330, Toffee. And I used this on a few clients, and I loved it on them, that I was like, I'm going to use it on me. And then I used too much, but I used Amie, and my son said I look like a ghost. So I was like, I need to do this like over, like try to figure out what I was doing wrong. And I was applying it the same way I do my other foundations, which are a lot, they're less full coverage, so they need more. You know, I do those like a couple times, but this one, just dab, 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 and that's it. Like maybe a little bit on my little areas where I need to like cover up more, but less is more with this for my face. I mean, and then the next product is the Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it's a eraser of dark circles. But yeah, this is a nice product. It's really full coverage, and I'm wearing it also under my foundation. I think I applied a little tiny amount over my foundation, but I try to see what can, you know, where I can wear it, where it's not, where I don't have any shadowy dark circles. For some reason, my under eye has been giving me a lot of problems. So I was having a dry patch, and I started using this oil, and it helped with that. And I don't know, but yeah, makeup and beauty are like just full of trial and error. So yeah, so guys, I hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe if you would like to, and hit the notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.